HSE Thought of the Day.
Hello. Today we are going to discuss about falling object. Among the most common causes of serious work injuries are accidents involving falling objects. You are at risk from falling objects. When you are adjacent to cranes, scaffolds, etc., or where overhead work is being performed, injuries can range from minor abrasions to concussions, blindness, or death. Take these precautions to prevent injury. Wear a hard hat when operations are being conducted, adjacent to and overhead of your work area, or wherever the potential exists for injuries due to falling objects. Choose the right hard hat for the job. Hard hats are classified according to protection against impact and penetration hazards, as well as electrical hazards. Choose the appropriate hard hat for your application. Example, Class A, B or C. Wear the hat properly. Follow manufacturer information on how to tighten the suspension to achieve a proper fit. C. Inspect the hard hat before each use. Look for signs of wear, cracks, dents, cuts, holes, burns, or other material damage. Inspect the webbing, headband, and suspension attachment points for signs of cuts, tears, and frayed material.